Aha! Look at that. The black edition. Let's see if it's authentic. What they said, that number should correspond to the number inside the box. One good indication, the circlip is made out of stainless. It's not black. Right there. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but the shiny part, so it will slip on better. It has a HKS logo on there. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but yeah, there's some lettering on there. The number, it's 514763, 514763. And the nut, they said it should be shorter. Yeah. And yeah, cool. But it would be nice if this thing comes in with the hub. Oh man, now I gotta buy that separately. I don't know, I have a spare that I can cut off and use that. Let me see if I... Well, it looks like sometimes the plan doesn't come together. So now when I get close to that shop tower. Man! Hello everyone! Step into my office and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to finalize my intercharge piping, and maybe after I get done with this flange welding this, I'm going to apply the Cerakote on this one. I kind of like that color, so I want to see how it looks like, if it's gonna blend in. So I am finding a placement for this. I would like to put it here, but I think I want it somewhere isolated, kind of in a way of the hose and the thermostat housing, and also for some simple maintenance that I'm afraid I have to remove this and the intercooler charge. So if I cannot put it in within the strut tower, because I'm thinking about putting a bar, so I think it might be on the way. Plus I also have a hose coming from here for the breather, so I think over here, like in an angle. As far as like the hood clearance, I think I have just a little bit at an angle. So this one like that, and yeah, I think this will be perfect right here. I think I'm gonna align it with my distributor right here, and also the mount. Yeah, like that. So, kind of look it. Right there. Yeah. Still. Now I want to bring it off just a little. I'm going to give it like a little contrast right there. Yep, okay. I'm going to drill a hole first, at least a start. I think this is where I want it. this one I just kind of cut it off, and I kind of just have it contour so I don't have to fill a lot of material so much. Well, so far it looks good. For me, that is. And I'm going to use the number 5. And I just kind of increase my argon flow just to give it protection. We'll see. Got it all finished. Not the best looking weld, of course, but it will do. I'm going to clean this up and then spray some ceramic coating. There you go. Yeah. Man, don't you hate when the plan didn't come together as planned? I went too close to the shock tower. I didn't anticipate. I guess when I had the rag, what do you call it? The blanket on. This thing is, yeah, that's it's my fault. Oh well, but that's okay. I can still clock this. I just have to put it in an angle or so. Yeah, pointing downwards. Yeah. See, it got too close. See, when it's straight, it's okay, but I'll just put it in an angle like so. Just that the vacuum line will stick out, and I'm not gonna repeat it again. Heck no. Okay, I'm gonna send it to paint shop, get it painted. Why I didn't use the traditional silicone hose. I want to try out this quick release. I have been wanting to have or own one of these for a long time, and it just happened that this project, it requires to have it on. It's more like I'm the research and development for all of you guys. So if it fail, as far as like this one here for eBay special HD clamp, then it's all on me. But if it succeeded, if it went okay, then you know it's okay to buy one of these rather than spend a lot of money. But so far when I weld in this, the material on this one is good for welding. I can't weld, but I know that one, the material is good. But we'll see how far, if it's gonna leak or not. But I'm gonna do a pressure check on this once everything get all together. Yeah. But you know, this thing it moves so much because there's no seals. But once I think the seal is on there, but still, this one here will be in an angle. But yeah, that is the reason why I use this. It's mainly for research and development, for trial and error. Okay, thanks for asking, brother. There it is. I'm just waiting till it dries out, then I'm gonna put it on. I don't know, I made a mistake of when I'm mocking this up, and it didn't turn out how I like it to be. It's just too close to the shock tower. So I don't know what's gonna happen if maybe I'll just put a patch on it. We'll see how it goes. If not, I'll just cut it off and put a new section. We'll see how it goes. I just want to do it right. I couldn't live with myself knowing that I gooped up on this one. This will be aligned directly to my distributor. So I cut it off and filled some material on here because I kind of cut it off unevenly. Then I'm just gonna polish this up again. And as far as this one here, I made this little plug, and I'm almost there. It just goes in. So yeah, I'm almost there. So I'm just gonna make this thing a little bit of taper. Yeah, I'm gonna taper this. Okay, I think that should be good enough. Yeah, that's good. And then just gonna polish it off. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and weld that one, and hopefully you would not see that I made a mistake. You know, I could delete this entirely, but I just want to show it to you guys that we're only human, man. We all make a mistake. Plus, it's the right thing to do. I wish I have a thermometer. I'm cooling down the pipes. It's warm. It's cold here. And yet, the air that comes out here, it's not as cold as what's coming out from that vent. Yeah. So I was thinking, if this thing really is getting hot inside the engine bay, so whatever that heat exchanger puts out, then by the time it passed through here, it changes. So it's really a good idea to wrap this thing. Yeah, that was a good observation. Huh. Right on. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap this thing. I want that cold air going through there. I got this one all cleaned up, and now I'm getting ready to put this flange. I'll show you guys later. Everything is all mocked up. Got my HKS blow off valve. It's good to go. Remember earlier it was here and you could hardly see anything. It's a good thing I mess around with it, you know, get it corrected and everything. It's got the seals on there already. See, I got my cooling lines for the turbo all mocked up and I'm good to go. So the only thing that's left actually is just the harness and fuel lines. I'm still waiting for the fuel pressure regulator and another ORB fitting here, and I'm good to go. Then put on the battery and hopefully put all the fluids and everything and wrap the headers and good to go. I think I pretty much like got all the majority of my work done. Yeah, so I'm all good, man. It's quite a long journey, man. You saw it. It's been so long, so many months doing all this. I mean, I feel like I'm on a rush actually. I'm so excited to get this thing started and everything, but again, I still have to wait for some parts and everything. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna go ahead and admire it. Oh, and I also sprayed some clear coat on the ceramic. It's so easily to get scratch, especially on this side. You saw it earlier when I was welding this. This is hot, and when I put it on the vent to get the air out, I mean warm air coming out of the tube. So I think it's a good idea to wrap this thing to keep that cold air in there, intake charge. Okay, step out of my office and I'm gonna end the video here. Okay guys, it's been a good one. It's been what a very progressive weekend for me. I've done a lot today. I mean, it's just a matter of time for the part to show up and put my head together. Cool, man. Alright, hope you guys like this one. I'll see you guys back in the next one. Bye everyone. Be safe.